Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to adjust text size in a specific app on Windows 11 PC. In case some of your apps ignore your Windows settings and you notice a small text on that, you can easily change text size. For that, find the app desktop shortcut and then right click on it. In the pop-up menu, select Properties, then switch to this one Compatibility tab, then click on Change High DPI Settings. Check this one option, Override High DPI Scaling Behavior, and in the drop-down menu, select System option, then click on this one OK button, then click on Apply button, then click on OK button. Now that app should show correct text size on your Windows 11 PC.